Hi guys, welcome to another video. My name is Sharice Roxbourgh, but you can call me Roxy. Today I'm going to be showing you how to shave your face. Well, at least how I shave my face. So, if you're interested in this video, keep watching. So, you're going to need some stuff to actually do this. The first thing I'm going to recommend that you do is to cleanse your face. Now you can use any cleanser that you want. You don't necessarily have to have all of these other expensive stuff. You can just use your regular face soap, or like me, I actually use apricot scrub. I just put that on my face and then I steam it, so it kind of gives it a little bit of love and put some moisture into your face, because I've seen where they're telling you to actually shave your face dry, like wash your face and then dry it. We're not going to be doing that, because everybody knows that once you're shaving, you have to have moisture, some form of moisture. Alright guys, so what I actually use to cleanse my face is this St. Ive acne control, and I've been using this thing for years. This thing is amazing. I'm telling you, I've used it for years and it has never failed me. So see, I'm almost out. I need to stock up again, but I'm actually going to be using this on my face right now. So I'm just letting this sit on my face for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'm actually going to put some heat onto it. Right, today I'm actually going to be doing the one that you dip the washcloth in and you put it on your face. It's easier for me, and you might be wondering why I'm actually filming in my room. I really want you guys to catch what I'm actually doing, and the lighting in my bathroom is very poor, so please bear with me. We're going to get everything set up, so stay tuned. It's too hot. So I'm putting this warm rag on my face. Please ensure that it's a clean washcloth. Please ensure that it's a clean washcloth. All right. So I'm just going to put it over my face. All right. So guys, I just washed the exfoliator off of my face. I did not dry my face, it's still damp. So what we're going to need is this razor stick. You have the razor blades that does not come with the stick. I wouldn't recommend that you get one of those, because it's harder to use and you may end up cutting yourself. So I would suggest that you get one of these things. They're not expensive at all. So right, so on to the fun part. So what we're going to be doing right now is to shave our face. Now, how do you shave your face? You have to shave it in the direction where the hair is growing. So you know, if your hair grows like this, you shave down. If it's going upwards, you shave up. Whichever direction your hair grows, that's how you should shave it. Now, you're going to put your free hand on the skin to pull the skin. Either you're going to pull it up, whichever you feel comfortable doing, or I think up is better. Down doesn't really do anything. So you pull it up just to give your skin a flat surface and to prevent tagging, and then you go in with the razor blade. So we're going to start at our jawline right here. So take time and you shave. You don't need to be going fast. Just take your time and shave. Alright, be careful not to tell your skin. Wow, do you see that? See? There we go with one jaw. And there's going to be hair on the razor stick. You could just have a piece of paper towel and you wipe it off. See? And you go again. So on to the next side. You just lift and you okay guys, so we're at our forehead now. Same principle applies. You pull the skin back, try to avoid your baby hairs if you have any, and then come down. This is a perfect opportunity to kind of shape your eyebrows up. Don't really go too much in, but you know, a little bit of grooming going on here. You know, bring it down. Alright, so we have successfully shaved our face. Now you can actually look to see if you see any lines of demarcation. If you see any, you know that you have to go over that part. Okay guys, so I got me some paper towel. I use the Lulu Holistic turmeric soap. It's very good. That's the one I use. And I'm now just pat drying my face. Alright, so we're done shaving our face, and I can tell you my face feels super soft. It feels supple. This just brightens your face. It brings out your natural tone, and it's just a beautiful thing, guys. And I hope you try it. You'll love it. You'll love it, trust me. Alright, so this brings us to the end of this week's video. I really hope that you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below to let me know if you're going to be trying this, or if you just want to say hi. Hey. Alright, so see you in the next video.